When you open your mind to the impossible, sometimes you find the truth. Builderall is the most complete and affordable digital marketing platform. That is why most people think there is a catch. So, a free trial is the solution.
I don't know what this is, but it's kind of hot.
Hello, in this video we are going to talk about Liam James Kay, who is regarding Builderall. So first, if you are from Builderall, don't ban me, thank you. I mean, you know, I'm talking about it. I will not say anything bad about Builderall because I don't have anything bad to say. So don't ban me, don't say, oh, he's talking about Liam James Kay, so let's ban him or downgrade him or whatever, because you know, I'm just doing one more video because I have a 90-day video challenge, so I need to produce videos. I have done videos on many topics, and this one is news because it's from yesterday. So not today, but I do this video. That's it. But don't worry about it. Don't take things too seriously. This is nothing really. The image of Builderall is not affected in any way. Okay, now that the disclaimer is done, let's talk about something very interesting. Liam James Kay is very interesting to me. All the story, you know, I love Builderall because, in partly, it's funny, but because it's like a TV show. It's a lot of drama, a lot of things, not only drama, but things happening. I've been in Builderall for over 1 year now, and I stick with it for several things, but including the drama, the TV show. You know, new things are coming, things are changing, new people are coming, some people are leaving, and it's growing, you know, developing. So you don't feel like you just bought the software and that's it. You use the software. There's also the human, like a TV show. There is the online community, of course, so you can find help, you can talk. This is good. The tools also, they are good. The tutorials, a lot of tutorials on many topics, affiliate marketing. So, you know, if you love this, you love internet, you love internet marketing, you love earning money on internet, on whatever kind of business it is. Me, I like affiliate marketing, but you know, the other people like to sell their product, physical product, or they like to create product and sell them, or I don't know, all the kinds of business you can do. So there is everything, and there is also like a TV show, because weekly there are several webinars, so training webinars, but also webinars for affiliates. And I've been following, I would say, all the webinars since I came in. They are in English, so I like, because it helps me improve my English, or even just listening to English, I like it. So also I did the certification, so for 3 months I've been attending live webinars for training on the tools. So I didn't pass the exam, certification exam, but I still followed every live without missing. So I really enjoy the TV show. And Liam James Kay, I remember when I first came in, it was in the summer of 2018. There was an affiliate contest, a challenge, and he was on top of this challenge. And this challenge lasted for 2 months. So I came in a few days after it started, and I saw him always at the top, and he did a funnel. So he's well known for this. It was called the $1 Million Challenge. And after, so he won the prize, the top prize. And then after, this $1 Million Challenge has been made in other languages, and also alternate version of it, you know, the same concept. So I think he didn't invent it, but I mean, in Builderall, it was very well known, this challenge, because he won with it, and with other things he won the challenge. And so it was good. I think it was really good. Everything was nice, but after many months, I think it was at the end of March 2019, suddenly in Builderall there has been a change, and it was not allowed to do this kind of funnel. Before it was fine. I mean, Builderall promoted this funnel. It even included it in the interface of all affiliates, so they could just send traffic to it and use it. But after, yeah, there has been a change of this. It was not allowed anymore, and then the affiliate program has changed. So now it's different affiliate program. Anyway, but it's okay. Everything is fine. You know, you just follow the TV show. You don't I mean, you have no say. It's just like when you watch a TV show, well, the writers already wrote the episodes and you just watch it. Even if you are not happy with what's happening, it doesn't matter. You still continue to follow. For me, I'm like this. I don't care what happens. Whatever happens, it's not my decision. I have no say in it. If they do a poll, I can vote for what I prefer if I have an opinion. But otherwise, it's just. I mean, when I came in, it was like this. Uh, then it changed. Okay, what if I had come 1 year after? It would have been changed already. I wouldn't have known about anything changing. The new reality for everybody, and it's nice. I mean, so, for the affiliate program, some people are saying, "Yeah, it has changed. I'm not happy with it now. It's too complicated. It looks like MLM." Yes, it's more complicated than before, of course, because before it was really simple, and now it's complicated. Of course, you know how people are. I mean, if you have done email marketing for some time, you know that if in the population there is 100, the average is 100 IQ, it means that a lot of people are below 100, and most people are just around it. So it's better to keep things very simple. And this new affiliate program is not simple. We cannot lie about it. It's not simple. But in fact, when you can, if someone can understand it, and then you can simplify it. And at the end, if you would just present the simple version, in fact, it's very easy to understand. Very, very easy. I would say it's easier than before. The simplified version is easier than before. But it's true that as it is presented, it looks way more complicated than before. But in fact, it's even easier than before. Anyway, that's not the point. So, in this video, if you have not left already, I will just talk about Liam James Kay. Don't need to watch it. Huh? I will say, so what happens today, yesterday? Yesterday, he sent this email and he released a video. He said, "Hi James, I'm sending this." So it's a mailing list, so this is the name of anyone who subscribe. Say, "Hi James, I'm selling my Builderall account. I am canceling my ClickFunnels account. And I am deleting my GetResponse email account. After making multiple 6 figures over the last year, I have decided now is the time. I've just uploaded a video explaining why and what I am doing instead." Okay. P.S. It was a difficult decision, but I hope you understand why. So it's a clickbait email because I tell you what is happening at the end. It just switched over another all-in-one platform, which does not the same, but it does things like Builderall. It does things like ClickFunnels. It does things like Wix. Yes, so always the same, sales funnels with email campaign, and that's about it. It's very simple use. So in this aspect, we can say that many software are similar, because if you just do sales funnels, just hosting a training and selling this training, or selling affiliate program, then what do you need really? You can do it with WordPress, you can do it with HTML page by yourself. You just need, let's say, a squeeze page to get the email, then an email autoresponder to send your emails that you want. What do you need? I mean, if you are selling your product, you need some place to host it, so you can just have HTML pages with your content, that's it, or just a link, a Dropbox links to download your courses. Or if you just do affiliate marketing, you just need to redirect people to your affiliate link in your email autoresponder. It's very simple things. But Builderall for me is not like ClickFunnels. It's not a competitor of ClickFunnels. You have to keep this in mind about the competitor, because it's important in this story. For me, ClickFunnels is not a competitor of Builderall, because Builderall is a all-in-one platform with which you can do many things with it, and things that you cannot do with ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is about sales funnels, and the things I talked about just before. To do this, to get emails, send people to your product, sell it, things like this. Very small thing. With Builderall, you can do many things which has nothing to do with sales funnels, like creating a chatbot, or creating a mobile app, creating a full shop, like Shopify, or like it's a Magento, so online shop. You can create. You can do graphics if you want. You can do a presentation. You can do a magazine. All those things, you cannot do them with ClickFunnels. there are other categories of software. If you want to call it a competitor, then it will be, for example, the presentation tool of Builderall. The competition will be maybe Google Slide or PowerPoint. For the magazine editor, I don't even know what could be a competitor, but who cares? You know, it's an all-in-one platform. So what happened exactly is that with the Liam James K $1 million challenge funnel, as I said, at the end of March, suddenly Builderall said, stop, we can't do that anymore because in some states in the USA, maybe it was illegal to have a loop. It was a funnel, you know, like a loop. I mean, yes, for legal issues, maybe it was not possible. So the decision has been very sudden to remove the $1 million funnel from the affiliate interface, to say to Liam James K and everybody that were doing similar kind of funnels, told them to stop doing that. It's illegal in some states. And then also the affiliate program, which was fine. I mean, the affiliate program, it was fine, but it has been said, okay, now we hire an expert and he will create a new affiliate program. So the expert worked, you know, for 1 month or 2, just to justify the cost, and made this new affiliate program, which seems complicated, but it's very simple. But it seems complicated and multi-level MLM, but it's not MLM at all. There is no notion of a team inside, but it looks like MLM and complicated for nothing. And so everything has changed like this. After there have been new things like a new logo for Builderall, the octopus, the cute octopus of before, it has changed into a stylized octopus, which meant to say it's speed now. And there has been the launch of Builderall 3.0. So it's a new thing. But at this moment, just after this, in April, Liam James K wanted to sell his own product. He created a product, digital product. He wanted to sell it. So, you know, he made sales funnels like, you buy this, but as you are buying it, you want to upsell you something. So you buy it. If not, then, you know, a lot of things like this, upsells, downsells. And also, he wanted to reproduce what he has done with the $1 million challenge, to reproduce it for his customers. So that when customer buys his product, then they can resell it using his marketing material that he has already done for them. So they will promote this and they will sell his product and then they will make commission on it. So this affiliate program within his own product. And at the time, it was not possible to do it with Builderall because, you know, the upsells, the affiliate program, there was no affiliate program. You needed to use the marketplace, but then the marketplace didn't have the ability of having upsells. So he tried, but he could not do it with Builderall. So he went with another software, which was ClickFunnels, because ClickFunnels has it's called Backpack. It has the affiliate stuff, and there are tools in order to make upsells, downsells for his product. So he used ClickFunnels to sell his product. So that was it. And at the time, it was surprising that this top affiliate of Builderall didn't use Builderall to do it. And he said simply it's because it's not possible with Builderall. So Builderall made a change, and they have developed the super checkout, which does what he wanted, but it was a few months after that it was released. So now with the super checkout, Liam James K could have sold his product with affiliate program inside and done everything in Builderall. But at the time, he could not. So he went with ClickFunnels. Then, so it was fun. So what, in terms of number, he said with Builderall, he earned in 2 years over 200,000 in commissions, affiliate commissions. And with ClickFunnels, in the past few months, he sold over $100,000 of his product. You know, with his affiliates selling his product, he sold above 100,000. So that was the number he talked about in the video. And then, of course, this video, what he's saying after that is that yes, but ClickFunnels is quite expensive, and there was still some bugs in the affiliate. So he didn't mention which bug exactly, but there were some bugs, and they expected more quality for the price, for the $300 price of ClickFunnels. So now he's saying, now I'm moving everything on another software called Kartra. And so he presents Kartra, and basically, with this video, he wants to sell Kartra as an affiliate with his links, and he does the same as with the $1 million challenge. It means if you buy Kartra, I give you those bonuses and about marketing and how to use Kartra to sell maybe Kartra or his bonus. I don't know really, I don't know the specifics. It's very new. It was from yesterday. So that's it. That's what it's doing. So the little problem with this is that Liam James Kay was an ambassador of Builderall, which means he's not a normal affiliate. He's an ambassador, and in the ambassador rules, it is said that you cannot promote a competitor product. That's the rules. So you're ambassador, you must not promote other product, similar competitor, and so Kartra is more a competitor product than ClickFunnels was. But even then, he didn't promote ClickFunnels as an affiliate, or maybe a little, but I don't know. But he didn't promote ClickFunnels really. He was just using it to sell his product because he could not do it with Builderall at the time. But now with this email, he is promoting Kartra, saying it's better than Builderall because Builderall you cannot do this and this. So in this video, he's not saying that now he could do it with the super checkout. And Kartra is better, cheaper than ClickFunnels, also with more functionalities. So he is promoting Kartra, and so it's a violation of the ambassador things. But I think his mistake now here has been a mistake of timing, because as you can see, he says, "I am selling my Builderall account." So it means he has not sold it yet. He is selling, and at the same time, he's promoting a competitor software, Kartra. So what happened? Of course, what happened is that Builderall have heard about this, and they downgraded his ambassador account. So he's not an ambassador anymore. He's a regular affiliate. But when he was selling the Builderall account, he was selling the ambassador account, which is more interesting than a regular affiliate account. So the sales could not be completed because the buyer wanted to buy the ambassador account. So now he cannot make the sale. Not the sale at the same price. And now he has a regular affiliate account. So I don't know what is the next episode of this. Because in this video, even if he criticizes Builderall, he doesn't say everything true. Because he doesn't say that now things have changed. With Builderall, you can do upsells and affiliate program within the super checkout. And so it is a bad mouthing about Builderall in this video, but very likely, I admit, very likely. It's easy to badmouth ClickFunnels or Builderall, any software. You can badmouth everything, even Kartra, you can badmouth it if you want to promote something else. So it's easy. For instance, you just talk about the price and the fact that it's a monthly subscription. So it means you can say, oh yes, it's too expensive and it costs this a year. Another one is called Greg Blazer. So Greg Blazer is promoting a software for building sales funnels and things like this, which you can you pay once and then you keep it. And I don't know what happens really, but you don't pay monthly. So Greg Blazer is using this story in order to say, yes, of course, Liam James Kay promotes Kartra now, but Kartra has the same problem as all the others, is that you are paying so much and you are captive of those platforms. So my product, the product I promote is better because blah, blah, blah. Greg Blazer was also in Builderall, but now he's not anymore because he has been kicked out. So I remember for Greg, I liked this guy because he was very energetic, but he has been kicked because he was poaching, I think, and it was not made really public, but I think it's because he was poaching, which means he was contacting Builderall affiliates or customers and telling them to come to change account and come under him, so he will be, he will earn the commission, and in exchange he will give them this and this is called poaching. and it was forbidden. So he has been caught with screenshots of what he was doing, and has been kicked out. So he's not too happy. I can understand, but I mean, everybody. I mean, I can understand. I think Liam James Kay also will not be happy about having his account downgraded because of his timing error. In my opinion, what he should have done is first sell your account and then talk about it, not talk before you have sold your account, because then you are exposed. They have Builderall as leverage, and for Greg it's the same. I mean, he has been kicked out, so he's not happy. Of course, me, if as a result of this video I am kicked out, I won't be happy. But you know what? Also, I think Builderall is making a mistake. Is because Liam James Kay, so he made an error, a mistake of timing, but he was quite light because he knew he was walking on eggs at this moment. So he was quite light in his critique. He even said in this video, yes, Builderall is still a viable option you could take if you are just new in the game, in this industry. It's cheaper than all the rest and has many tools. So he was saying good things about Builderall inside. But imagine after what happened now, but even if not, even he sold his account and he's trying to promote Kartra. Imagine what he will say later on about Builderall, about ClickFunnels, when he is promoting Kartra. You can imagine, like Greg Blazer, still months after, he has not forgotten about being kicked out. And of course, he will not admit exactly why he has been kicked out. He will, nobody admits really everything. But he's quite angry, still angry about what happened. And Liam James Kay will be the same. He has just lost a big sale of his massive ambassador account. So he cannot sell this. So in his head, he already lost many dollars. And the next video he will do about Builderall, maybe talking about the story, what happened to him, it will not be nice at all. So in fact, what the punishment that Builderall did is it will not do any good. It will not make Liam shut up. On the contrary, because what is the situation now? Liam James Kay, so now he has a regular affiliate account. I think he's still planning to sell it. Of course, he could keep it and just get the commissions because, and just keep it open and don't do any promotion with it. But I think he will be more inclined to just sell it and forget about everything. I mean, just cut ties with everything, and then he will be free to talk about his experience, what he feels about it, why you should never go to Builderall because blah 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 blah. You know what? I mean, maybe he will not do it, but he could. Like Greg Blazer is still going on about it months after, and yes, Greg Blazer has been kicked out and he lost everything. Suddenly, he could not sell anything. So I'm not sure it's a good move to do that to Liam. Maybe it should be handled differently. Like, just let him sell his ambassador, or even better, Builderall just buy his ambassador account back for several dozen dollars. Just buy it. Then all the customers of Liam will be Builderall customers, so they earn back the commissions, and that's it. It's a better deal this way than than having a bad taste in the mouth from Liam. He will use this, maybe not, but I know I will use this to promote Kartra or other things, because Kartra is not the end of the world. There will be a next one for sure. Another thing, maybe Liam will then go to another software, or like Greg, a software that you can keep on your own server, maybe. Because you have to understand also that whatever his opinion is to Liam or Greg, they are not useful for most people, because their needs are not the same as most customers. So most customers will be very fine with Builderall, will be very fine with ClickFunnels. They don't need to go to Kartra for anything. In fact, most customers they will be fine with WordPress, with Wix, most of them. And then as you grow in your business, then you can change. You can you change. Your needs change. So whatever he's saying about, you don't need to follow him. Oh, he has a so good result with Kartra now, so I will take Kartra. No, I mean, he was earning a lot with Builderall already. Then with ClickFunnels, he was earning a lot. I mean, he can earn a lot on anything. It's not about the tools. Even if he says it is, you know, you don't have to believe that, because he's a marketer. So it's like a lawyer. Lawyer, you hire him because he can lie for you. He can say things like if he believes that you're innocent when in fact you're guilty. You know it, he knows it, and everybody knows it. But your lawyer will talk as if you are innocent, or you didn't know what, you know. For marketers, the same. They need to sell products, so they will say many things within the law, within the things you can say, to make this product appear the best option for you. Nice in video and things like this. And they can crush other software because they are not promoting them. Like he can use his bad experience with Builderall. If nothing's happened, we will know about it in the next episode of this TV show. So that's about it for this video. So once again, I like Builderall. It's working very fine for everything you want to do. I mean, it's not cheap, huh? It's $69, so it's not cheap. Cheap would be like $5 a month. I would say yes, it's cheap, but $69 or $50 is not cheap. Funnel is not cheap. Nothing is cheap, in fact. And you can do so much more than with Funnels or Kartra, because there are so many tools. So, you know, in a live video, it's good, but it's not honest in it, because it doesn't speak about anything. In fact, he just wants to sell a Kartra at the end. He doesn't talk about his account, that why he wants to sell his account. In fact, why he wants to sell it, why he doesn't keep it. He doesn't say this. It is because there is a rule in the ambassador account that you cannot promote competing product. That's why he's selling it. Otherwise, he will not sell it. He will just keep it and promote other things. You understand? And this is not in his video, so he doesn't talk about. He's not being true. He says he wants to be transparent. He's not, but that's normal. His job is not to be transparent with you. It's just to sell product or anything bad. It's just a job. Like a lawyer will defend his clients. It's normal. Nobody blame the lawyer for talking nonsense with an obviously guilty person. No, because it's his job. And the same for a marketer. So anyway, just buy a Builderall under me. It's very nice. And you know, buy it and tell me that you don't like it. Tell me why. You will not find a way. If you need very specialized things, you will not be watching this video until here. You will already doing your stuff and making millions. If you're still here, it's because you are like me, like most people. And Builderall is very fine for our needs. I don't know what are your needs, but for my needs, they are very fine. And it's so funny to follow the TV show. All the drama, the TV show is included in the price. You get part of Builderall, you can follow. I've been following for over a year, you know, and I know what happened. I think about it. It's very funny. Bye bye.
Don't let your kids watch it!